This is Krish. Welcome to our channels Pvsk Pvsk1, Pvsk Pvsk2, Pvsk Cooking and Pvsk Education, Pvsk Entertainment and Pvsk Experiment. Please do subscribe our channels. Today we are going to see important tips and tricks in Windows 10. So it's very useful. If you want to know the different different locations time, so go to the alarms and clock app. So when you click on that, so it's automatically shown alarm, clock, timer and stopwatch. So here default location is India, so it shows like that. If you want to add another location, so Tokyo for example, so Tokyo which you want, France for example. So if you want to know, so add this, and not only one, more you can add different states in USA. So when you add that, so it shows the difference between here 8:43, here 4:13 p.m. and also 7:13 a.m. here. So it knows like that. If you want to delete, a garbage icon is as below, and click on that, it's remove that automatically. It's removed. So and also if you want to know the calculator, so very simple, go to here and cal. When you give cal app, so calculator, we know the standard calculator. Here when you click on that, scientific and graphic and grammar and data calculator, and as well as more calculators is available here. And also if you want to record the game, so very simple feature, wonderful feature introduced in Windows 10. And here click on that Windows button and capital Z, it's automatically shown here. When you click on here, audio capture gallery, which you want, automatically do it. And also if you want to update and security, so updates that. If you want to paste or start that, very simple, go to the settings button and update and security is here. So when you click on that, here backup also available here, troubleshooting also here. So click on that. So it's shown advanced options. So in that advanced option, you can set the time here. So as per requirement, please do subscribe our channels Pvsk Cooking, Pvsk Pvsk1, Pvsk Pvsk2, Pvsk Education, Pvsk Entertainment and Pvsk Experiment. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe. Do not